is that bad? It's like, ain't that good?
No. No, it just came out of nowhere.
Pretty sturdy ass one then. There you go, babe. You shouldn't have to buy one.
I know, I was like, this. I'm glad I didn't throw it away.
Yeah, cause a brand new fucking thing. This was like when they gave me one, I was all like, oh well, I'll save it in case I ever need it. Good thing I did.